I'm unboxing something you need to ensure a healthy lifestyle. Okay, let's check it out. Now, see what we've got here. AccuAnswer blood glucose monitoring system, also called Glucometer. Take a look at it. With this, you get accurate results in just 5 seconds. That's amazing, man. You want to check this out. Let's check what is inside. Let's check it. Let's check it. Follow me. Let's check it. Okay. Look at the carton so well. You can see the carton so well, right? Now let's do the unboxing proper. Let's check what's inside this. What do we have here? Now, this is the lancing device. The lancing device is used to obtain samples of blood for glucose testing using a lancet. Now you can check out there, you can see the menu there, so you can check the menu to know how to operate this. Or you can still continue and watch this. Now we have the disposable lancets, which are used to pierce your skin to collect blood sample. Here is the battery to power the glucometer. You can see that, right? Okay, so here we have the blood glucose test strips used to test your blood sugar. The test strips work with glucometer to read your blood sugar levels. You can see it. That's a test strip. Yeah, that's it. That's a test strip. So the next thing we have to check is the glucometer. The oga pata of them all. Now here is the glucometer. And the glucometer is used to measure the amount of glucose in your blood. So that's it. So let's check how the glucometer works. Let's see how it works. Okay. So this is how it works now. You just bring out this lancet. After you must have brought out the glucometer, bring out the lancet. And you use the lancet, like we said before, to puncture the skin so that you can get the blood sample. Then you put in the strip and the blood gets dropped there. You understand, right? And that's how it works. And that is it. You get to test yourself and you know your sugar level. Yeah, you can see everything. And that's all. Remember to always check your blood sugar level. You can check out how we did it in this video here. From the video, you get the exact procedure to follow to check your blood sugar level. The link to the video is in the comment section, so you can check it out and watch the video and learn how to do this today. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to stay safe and stay healthy.